I believe that income is made in great times and wealth is built in bad times. Now, what are we headed for? If you believe what most of us here believe, we're headed for bad times. And bad times give us opportunity, right? This is a zero-sum game. If somebody is in a bad position and they lose money on an asset, what else had to happen simultaneously? Somebody picked up that asset at a discount. Is that correct? I'm excited for the opportunity that most of us in this room have because I've been through the last downturn. And when I was in the last downturn, I didn't have any money. I've been waiting for this opportunity for a decade. Okay? So, no, we're not being a Debbie Downer, right? I'm saying the same thing Troy said. I'm saying the same thing David wanted to say, but didn't want to be a Debbie Downer. But honestly, there is no downer in this if you're knowledgeable. There is no downer in this if you're in this tribe and you have guys like this around you. So I'm excited. I can't wait. I wake up at 4 in the morning whether I want to or not because I'm like checking the news. Has it happened yet? Right? I couldn't wait for the CPI to come out today.
I sent him a little text earlier today, didn't I?
We've been texting all day today, right? Because we know what's coming. Now, at the same time, I don't want to sound like a vulture, right? I'm a human being with feelings, and I understand this is going to harm a lot of people. Obviously, that's horrible. But at the end of the day, somebody has to clean it up, and somebody has to help America get back on track again. And you know who that is? That's us. It's the private money that gets America moving again in the aftermath. It's not the banks. We're the ones that carry America through this next period of time, whether it's 6 months, 18 months, or 36 months. So I'm excited. I'm sorry, I just used up all my time being excited.